Springtime. Flowers here, flowers there. I remember the last time I talked about this pear tree, I literally had somebody comment, look, cherry blossoms there. Springtime is nice. But I literally had somebody comment when I was somewhere over here and say, hey, look at all these pears. And I mean, we're gonna have quite the selection of pears. And pears are good for horses, so it seems horse related. But somebody said, you know, can you do less about pears and more about horses? I'm gonna do one episode dedicated to this pear tree. Beautiful though. Look at that. Bam. Springtime goodness. So, busy morning. I've been feeling a little tiny bit under the weather, so I know I haven't really put up as many updates as you guys are used to. Oh, it's bright out. Bright, bright, beautiful morning. Everybody's doing pretty good. Look at these two. Boy, they had a good play yesterday. No camera work of it, but happy horses. Oh, she's yawning. Lily's doing fine. She was a kid teacher yesterday. Hi, Springer. What's up, buddy? Hanging low, I see. What's going on, pal? You like the girls? Yeah. 2 cows in the arena again. 2 beautiful cows. Best cows ever. Did a little bit of work with Tana. She's got some energy with Lena. Look at her pushing her around. So get moving, other cow. Brown cow. I only say that in jest and in joke because of their coloring, is what my daughter said. An 8-year-old that just said the funniest thing. I just get stuck. So good stuff. Check this out though, if I can go by quietly enough. What is that? Oh, it's a Zeus. Great morning. Oh, hi girls. What's up? I guess Lena was coming over for scratches. Tana says, no scratches for you. Look at that. Lena, who bosses you around? This one does. Bam. Still pushing her around like she's got nothing better to do. Rained like crazy the last few days. Still got water coming under the ground. You can sort of see it down there trickling out. But more than that, without the sun reflection in the way, look at those guys. Lots of fishies. And they're big too. They're actually getting to be a pretty good size. Don't mind that sun reflection. Here. You can almost see the bottom of the pond as well. Water's really clearing up. There, something like that. Somebody said, are they alive? Oh yeah, they're alive. Just cruising around. There's Zeus. Zeus, do you see the fish? Fish are like, oh god, it's Zeus. Quick, swim away. Anyhow, fish are plenty alive. Probably gonna start making babies and all that stuff. Lena still follows her around like a lost puppy though. I swear, there's this, look at all those guys. It's a busy morning for these horsies. Okay, moving on. I actually had a couple things I was going to show you guys. One was the fish actually, because that's cool. We had huge rainfall. There was enough that the ditch was just level up here. It was just trickling out that way. It was so full. But this morning, it's all kind of worked its way through. This drainage ditch has been, I'm not going to say a lifesaver of any sorts, but it sure keeps the water level down because all this stuff drains that way and then this stuff drains that way. I've talked about drainage a million times. Hey Sky, what's up, man? Horsey check right now. Who's got food? Who doesn't? What's going on? Good looking? Yeah. You like the girls too, don't you? You can't go out with them. No, not those two. Piggy and Luke are at the back. They're good friends. They eat well together. Look, they don't even have to eat from different hay bags. Hi. What's going on there, big guy? Come on, camera, focus in on a horse. There we go. Bam. Horsey eyeballs for the day. Beautiful, beautiful day. Blue sky. I wanted to show you one more thing here. Remember how last time, if you guys are a regular watcher of this channel, if you're not, sorry, but this area here, look at all this moss over here. I've been kicking this stuff out from here because I discovered where it is. The possible nest is right there. You see? Now I don't think that whoever's building it, there's Zeus, it's coming around, is having any good success, but way over here has had some great success, and I'm not sure what to do about it. Mainly because it's occupied. Way up there. I don't know how close I can get. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. A little birdie in there. Well, anyways, nature channel at its best. So we've got a bird's nest in here. I think it's okay. I mean, it's occupied now, so I gotta leave it. Can't see the bird right now, but there was a little birdie in there. I did get a picture of it with my phone. But you know, I live in a forest. Why not make a nest out there somewhere? Right? Anyhow, so there's one nest there. And there was another one looking like it was starting up somewhere else. And I just thought, ugh, I don't think I want this to become a nest haven. Like a bunch of, oh, there it is. It's up there. Right up in that corner over there. I don't know if the camera's gonna get that. All right, up in there. So, I like birds. I like baby birds. I think they're adorable. I don't want a bunch of birds' nests, though. But barns are full of them, aren't they? So, anyways, everybody's doing great. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. You can just, again, looking way, way through there, see the mountains coming through clear. Look at that pear tree. Bam! Horses are great. Everybody's great. I don't know what more I'm going to capture today. I got 100 things to do. And if anybody ever wants to come out and help me weed a little, that'd be nice. most boring job ever. What are you guys doing? Tana's great. She's really, really coming along. Just a nice, calm, quiet horse right now. And well, she's a little worried about stuff like all horses. I'll talk about that soon, but oh, there's the dog. Zeus! Where's the bear? Where is it? No, those are fish. Those are fish. Where are the fish? Somewhere. But yeah, with all the rain. Oh, there they are. Right there, swimming around like crazy. Keeping busy. So, that's good. Active, healthy. Yeah, this area here. Anytime anybody wants to come, clear this out, let me know. Okay, I don't know. I have no idea what else I'm going to capture today again. Gotta work some more with Tana. Get the horses out, clean this place up, a little bit of organization, quick spring cleaning, and then I have a lesson today. Tomorrow's Easter. Happy Easter, everybody. North America, at least. That's about it. Yeah. Moving on. Oh, Tana's rolling. It's her second or third roll today. She's a roly-poly girl. She'll probably have a nap. Lena's going down. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. Oh, what do you know? Another airplane. Lena's not going down. She was gonna go down. Now she's decided not to. She moved on. Oh, there comes the butt. She's not moving fast enough. Tana's like, I told you once. Right, Zeus? Just tooling around today, hanging out with me. It's a hot day. Hot day, hot dog. And they're off. Even after getting pushed around, Lena still just trundles after her. Where are you going? And it says, over to the corner. So, yeah, it'd probably be another super exciting day of horses just standing around. Maybe a little playtime. That's about it. So, I'm putting the camera down for now while I get on with some other things. Might do a live stream. Might do the fireside live stream. We'll see how things go. Easter long weekend. Friday and Monday's off kind of thing. Although I don't know what a day off looks like, so whatever. Okay, let's get on with stuff. And if I don't do anything later, see you guys again tomorrow. I hope. If I do, then I'll see you a little later. Super fast little tiny update. Look at these two. Just having a little nappy nap. It's nice to see horses relaxing. I like it. I won't bother them, but birds here are amazing. There's some bird up here that's just singing a tune. Where is he? Nature Channel again. Isn't that cool? Anyhow, sleepy sleep times. Just taking it easy. Not me though. Working hard. Okay, back to work. Gotta tell you guys about that.